Hi, and welcome to this unboxing of the Moto G6 Play. Now, I've been trying to get my hands on this phone for a while now, simply because I've heard so many good things about it, so I wanted to experience it for myself and share my thoughts with you. First impressions of the box is that it's very nicely designed, especially when you consider that this is supposed to be a budget smartphone. So now that I've taken the sticker off, we're just going to open the box and we should see the Moto G6 Play right at the top. Now, Motorola have been doing something really interesting and unique recently, which is bundling a free smartphone case with all of their latest smartphones. Now, this means you get to save a bit of money, but I'm going to take a deeper look at the flexibility of the smartphone case later on in this unboxing. Now, when we take the cardboard away, we're exposed to the warranty and the manual, which are documents that most people ignore. However, Motorola are known for their outstanding customer service. So if your phone was to ever get broken or water damaged, it's really important that you know what they might be able to do for you, the return policy, that kind of stuff. And the manual really helps you to get the maximum benefit from the Moto G6 Play. Now, inside the box, you also have a USB cable for charging the smartphone and for also transferring images, videos, and other files back and forth between the smartphone and your computer. Now, this works out a lot faster than using Bluetooth or any other cloud services. So it's also really good for making sure that your files are backed up so that if anything was to happen to your phone, at least you have it somewhere on your computer. Now, the wall adapter uses fast charging to get you amazing power really quickly, as compared to using just a USB cable directly with your computer. There's also nothing else in the box, so all you get is the phone, the USB cable, the fast charger, the manual, and the SIM card tray opener. Let's take a deeper look at the actual smartphone case, just so we can see how strong or flexible it is. Now, as you can see, just holding it, it will do the job. It will protect your phone from scratches and dust. However, if you're very clumsy or you work in a rugged environment, you'd probably want to invest in a tougher smartphone case. Now, peeling the sticker off, we get to see the screen in all its glory. And I must say, it doesn't feel or look like a budget smartphone. It looks and feels great. It actually reminds me of higher end devices from Samsung and Apple. I think holding this on a day-to-day basis, people wouldn't notice that this is a budget smartphone. Now, Motorola have this really cool animation on their latest phones, which I think you should check out. So I'm just gonna wait a few seconds for it to run. I will be taking the Moto G6 Play for a full test run on another video, so it's going to be a hands-on review. So we're looking at the camera, the performance, the battery life, and all the unique features of this phone. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on giffgaff's channel, or feel free to share it with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching.